And it's a big thunderstorm. See that lightning? Can you hear the rain? What is this lightning though? It sounds like there's rain coming from this wall and all around me. But really it's only that wall. I'm going back to bed, I'm tired.
Oh, that's nothing, Krista. There was like 100.
It's really gross.
No, they're cleaning up the bugs.
Ooh.
Zoom in. Zoom.
There's birds flying everywhere and it's making me gross. I don't like them. So I'm getting ready to make cookies. It is so hot out and there's a thunderstorm coming. I could hear the thunder. It's so humid. It's still dark. I just hit a fly.
You break me down. You got that sound, yeah, you got me. Ew, Krista.
Don't mess with the fly killer.
With the
Yeah,
sound.
my sister just told me something a little scary.
Am I doing like the sounds and everything?
And where we live doesn't get these, so that's what makes it even more scary.
My friend just sent me a Snapchat and she said that there was a tornado warning, and she sent me a Snapchat and it was like she's driving in the car right now and it's raining, and on the radio this thing came on and it was like like all like beeps and stuff, and then there was a man who started talking and he was like, tornado warning, no.
Like you could hear the thunder.
Yeah, you can hear the thunder. Which is kind of creepy because we don't get tornadoes, so I'm assuming that if we do, it'll be small.
Because it's all buildings and really high buildings where we live, so.
No. Well, that has
yeah.
nothing to do with the tornado.
But Daddy said if we did get one, it wouldn't last because there's too many things in it. It doesn't have enough open space to go.
Oh yeah, no, we don't have like any fields around us, and usually fields are like what, tornadoes.
So I'm making cookies in the middle of a tornado warning. That's how you live, right? It's getting darker. Hey, bud. Don't turn around and have the camera on. If you don't want to be on it, don't turn around.
With my ass?
No. I want to show how dark it's getting, but the camera doesn't show it. It looks bright.
What time is it right now? It's not even 5 o'clock yet.
It's 5:09. I'm making cookies. And pizza. Hey, what are you doing? It's time to eat soon, not yet. Not yet, but soon. I love you. You're the cutest puppy I ever did see. What? Not yet. Good morning. Turn it up.
Take cover when threatening weather approaches. Please monitor for further updates to this alert.
That's it?
Human?
Yeah, I'm pretty sure it was a naked human.
Yeah, it looked naked. At first I thought it was a golden. Nice, nice.
You can't tell if anything taken from it. Only way you would not know.
I'm sticking to everything. Hey, bud. Aww.
Have a good idea.
You have a good idea.
What is it?
Just pay additional processing and handling. That's two.
What's your idea?
A $60 value for only
Why are you tiptoeing?
$9. If you want a bath mat that keeps your clothes
What's your idea? Get off of me! Get off of me! Hey, okay.
That's what I deal with.
I think I do. And sit beside him. Wait for him.
It's on me, don't worry. Yeah.
If you're the guy from the
And then we can go.
operate it up. That's what you do.
Keep going.
Want to save 15% or more on car
What?
insurance? You switch to Geico. It's what you do.
Like you can't hear this.
They're following the friggin' camera.
Hey buddy, wondering what's going on? So, I guess the storm's gone. Why does it look darker now when it's lighter and lighter when it was darker? Cookies are almost done. So I cut myself an apple watching CTFXC, but as you can probably hear, the storm is back. And everything wet. I also wanted to say, hey! You want more apples? He loves fruit. I was saying, I'm going to the doctor. It'll be today for you guys, but tomorrow for me. Because as you can tell, my nose is crooked. And it's making it hard for me to breathe on this side. So I'm going to go find out what's wrong with that. And then I have these, can you see them? See these dots in my eyes? And apparently they like multiply if you don't fix them. So I have to go get a recommendation for a dermatologist. So I'll tell you how that goes. I'm not scared. I mean, I just don't want surgery on my nose. I do not want surgery. The next surgery I have will not be until I have a baby. I hope. But I'm going to say goodnight now because I have to edit this to put it up tomorrow. Do you want to say goodnight? You want to say bye? Yeah, so good night. Thank you for watching. I will see you in Wednesday's vlog. Bye. Oh, and I just put up yesterday for you, today for me. That's weird. I put up a baking video on my beauty channel, so it'll be linked below. Thanks for watching. Good night. That's done. Oh, and there's no more. The tornado warning that we had. I mean, it wasn't really a warning. It was just like, because I guess a few hours away from us was gonna have one or had one, but it wouldn't last year, so it's gone. Now it's just severe thunderstorms because it's flipping hot. Bye.